Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, rear defrost. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Taking candy from a baby is easy in theory, but you should really think twice about trying it.
Luckily, buying a car is easier than that at Nissan of Athens, Georgia's fastest growing Nissan,
where you'll find our #1 rated customer service and bottom line prices on an incredible lineup of new Nissans and a variety of pre-owned vehicles. Every deal backed by our promise to give you an honest quote and the best customer service possible. Plus, if Nissan of Athens doesn't have the vehicle you want in stock, we'll find it and deliver it right to your door.
There are easy ways to satisfy your change of credit. There's no easy way to buy a car than shopping at Nissan of Athens.